We'll guide you through how to create a loop animation in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to create a loop animation. Add a loading icon similar to the example shown in the video. For example, you can use an icon from the Iconify plugin if you need a quick loading symbol. Select the object and click the Create Component icon in the right panel to convert the loading icon into a component. Click Add Variant to create a new variant of the component. Next, select the layer group in Variant 2 so you can modify its properties. Change the rotation of the icon. For example, set it to -90 degrees so the icon appears slightly rotated compared to the first variant. After adjusting the rotation, click on the variant layer again. Then click Add Variant again to create another state of the component. Select the layer group in Variant 3 and change the rotation again. For example, set it to -180 degrees. Click on the variant layer once more, and then click Add Variant again to create the fourth state. Select the layer group in Variant 4 and change the rotation to -270 degrees. At this stage, the icon has 4 rotation states that will form the animation sequence. Now move to the Prototype tab in the right panel. Connect the prototype from Variant 1 to Variant 2 so the animation begins from the first state. Change the trigger setting to After Delay so the animation runs automatically without user interaction. Set the delay to 1 millisecond to ensure the animation transitions immediately. Make sure the animation and curve are set to Smart Animate and Ease In and Out so the motion between states appears smooth. Adjust the duration according to your needs. For example, set it to 100 milliseconds so the rotation appears fast and continuous. Repeat the same steps until all variants are connected with prototype interactions, linking Variant 2 to Variant 3, Variant 3 to Variant 4, and Variant 4 back to Variant 1 to complete the loop. Create a frame to test the loading animation. Drag Variant 1 into the frame while holding the Alt key so it is placed inside the frame as an instance. Click the present icon in the top right panel to open the preview window and review the animation to check whether the loading loop animation works correctly.